Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system so fixes won't cause more trouble. Create a restore point and back up critical files. Once done, free at least 10% of disk space or 20 GB. Next, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and write down any error codes it shows. You do this so later steps target the exact failure cause. Make sure Windows has network access and time is correct. These small mismatches often block authentication and downloads. You now repair the update infrastructure. Open an elevated command prompt. Stop WUAServe, crypt SVC, bits, and mSciServer so files aren't locked. Then rename software distribution and cacheroot2 to force a fresh cache. Once renamed, restart those services. After that, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health followed by sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. These steps rebuild update metadata and fix component store corruption, which are common causes of recurring installation failure. You finish by rebooting and attempting updates again, installing in small batches if many pending. If an update still fails, check the Windows Update. Log an event viewer for specific error codes to guide targeted fixes. When logs point to a single package, download and install it from the Microsoft Update Catalog manually. If multiple components remain broken, perform an in-place upgrade repair. This preserves apps and data while reinstalling system files. One tip: disconnect non-essential peripherals. Drivers can block installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.